Welcome again, people. Fire of an unknown origin destroyed a section of the Ray Market in downtown Kingston late Monday. Reports are that about 11:45 p.m., persons passing the facility could saw smoke and raise an alarm. 4 units of the Jamaica Fire Brigade responded, and after more than 2 hours of battling the blaze, were able to extinguish the fire. Reports are that a section of the wholesale that is close to the market facility, several stalls and goods owned by the vendors were destroyed. Ray Ground Market, which is located alongside Queen Street in downtown Kingston, has been razed by fire at least 5 times in the last 2 years.
Yo. Yo. Nah, this fire get bigger. Good party and car. Really, where you had it? Yeah.
Them building, they come out, mope them feel the heat or whatever the case is, and jump up. What do I do? See it, brother?
Watch it.
Jesus.
Check this live.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.